The human heart. The heart is a vital muscular organ, approximately the size of a closed fist. It is situated in the thoracic cavity and leaning slightly to the left. It's enveloped in a double-layered protective sac, the pericardium. A lubricating fluid, known as pericardial fluid, fills the space between the heart's outer wall and the pericardium, preventing from friction. Cardiac muscle fibers are specialized muscle cells, make up the heart. Chamber of the heart is segmented into 4 distinct chambers. 1. 2 upper chambers, right and left atria, singular, atrium. 2. 2 lower chambers, right and left ventricles. The right and left sides are segregated and do not communicate. The left atrium channels blood into the left ventricle via the left auriculoventricular opening, and likewise, the right atrium channels blood into the right ventricle through the right auriculoventricular opening. Blood vessels entering and leaving the liver and kidney. 1. Entering to the liver. Hepatic artery, supply oxygenated blood to the liver, originating from the aorta. Hepatic portal vein, transports venous blood from the digestive system to the liver. 2. Leaving the liver. Hepatic vein, carries blood from the liver to the heart. Kidney. 1. Entering to the kidney. Renal arteries, they deliver a significant volume of blood from the aorta to the kidney. 2. Leaving the kidney. Renal veins carry blood from the kidneys and direct it into the inferior vena cava or posterior vena cava. Path of blood within heart. Pathway 1. Oxygenated blood flows from lungs towards the heart. This blood first enters the left atrium through pulmonary vein. Left atrium expands itself while collecting blood. Left atrium, as it contracts, transfers the blood to the left ventricle. The left ventricle expands itself on collecting blood. Left ventricle, as it contracts, then passes the blood into aorta, which pumps out the blood to the whole body. Pathway 2. Deoxygenated blood flows from the body back to the heart. This blood is first collected by the right atrium. It expands itself while collecting the blood. Right atrium, as it contracts, transfers the blood to the right ventricle. The right ventricle expands itself while collecting blood. Right ventricle, as it contracts, passes the blood to lungs through pulmonary artery for oxygenation. Table 9.2, Comparative study of systole and diastole. Atrial systole and ventricular diastole. Ventricular systole and atrial diastole. Muscles action. A. Atrial muscle contract. A. Ventricular muscles contract. Blood movement. B. Blood from atrium is pushed into the ventricles with pressure. B. Under high pressure, blood is pushed from the ventricle into the aorta and into pulmonary veins. Valve action. C. The tricuspid and bicuspid valves open at atrioventricular junctions to fill the ventricles. C. Tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve close with a heart sound, lub. Resulting sound. D. The semilunar valves at the beginning of pulmonary artery and aorta closed, the heart sound, dub, is produced. D. So atria draws in blood through the openings of semilunar valves. Atrial systole. Ventricular systole.